Once you find a generation you love, you can easily build off of it with our editing toolbar.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Be sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button, but most of all, the notification bell, because I want you to stay up to date with what's happening here on this channel. Today is a great day because we're getting higher and higher with technology and AI. Y'all know how much I love AI, right? So there's a new tool called SORA, and it's brought to you by OpenAI. It's their next gen, video automated AI tool that they use. And so I want to play a video real quick so y'all can just get a gist before we dive into details of how powerful this tool is. All right, so check this out.
Welcome to SORA. Let's get started by creating our first video. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the composer. This is where you can write in text to describe exactly what you want to see in your video. I want to see a family of woolly mammoths in an open desert. Before I create this clip, I'll review my settings. I can add a style preset. I can change the aspect ratio, increase the resolution, increase the duration, and even change the number of variations of clips from a single prompt. And finally, hovering over the help icon will tell me exactly how many credits will be used by creating a video at these current settings. And this all looks perfect. You can go ahead and hit create, and you'll see the video pop right into your library and begin generating. When your videos finish, you can hover over any of the variations to watch all of them play back in real time. For more fine-grained control, you can use your mouse to scrub over the videos and watch them play back more slowly. Clicking on a video will bring it into the lightbox, and you can use the arrow keys to see the different clips in the set. Once you find a generation you love, you can easily build off of it with our editing toolbar. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a number of different ways to edit this clip. You can always make changes to your prompt or storyboard. You can also recut this clip, trimming or extending any section of the video in a new timeline. Remix lets you use natural language to describe any changes you want to make. Blend lets you transform and influence the contents of a video with that of another one. And Loop lets you create a seamlessly repeating section of a video. And voila! Near the top of the screen, you'll see quick actions like favorite, share to feed, and download.
Wow, this is changing everything. This changes filming, videography, video creation, video making, content development as we know it. I love this idea and I love this innovation when it comes to content and technology, because it allows us to really get specific what's in our brain, putting it in text, and allowing AI to help us develop it into a story and real videos and stuff. And I love the quality of this. It's very realistic in a sense. It doesn't feel cheesy. It doesn't feel something that's like a Pixar film. I'm very proud of them and very surprised that they've been able to develop something like this within a browser feature without downloading a software or downloading something to my desktop, but allowing it to be just something I can just go to my browser and just type it in and just go from there and download it. That's sweet for me. Another thing I like too is that blend tool that she talked about. I love the fact that I could add another video inside of it and it can literally transition or blend into a older video or something that I created and just add on to it. I'm excited to use that for sure, because I'm a big believer in learning how to break something in order to use it. So if I can build it myself, create it, then it can just take it to the next level. So if I'm in space or something like that, and I created it around me just enough for this video right now, but I take it to beyond the limits, to infinity and beyond, so to speak. I think it's gonna really help out with just that space of let's create the content, let's do it, but also let's put it in a space around AI to now it doesn't feel like we're in a studio. It doesn't feel like we're in a green room. It doesn't feel like we're recording it with a backdrop with bricks, you know what I'm saying, but we're at a house, you know what I'm saying, we're outside. Let's build off of that. So I see that tool helping out in that matter. Of course, with animation and voiceovers and stuff like that, or B-roll and stuff, that's another way this tool could be really, really helpful. I see this tool being helpful for like all creators, like churches, businesses, and stuff like that, nonprofits, all those different things. So this is very, very powerful. Let me know in the comments if you're going to use this. It is a cost for it. If you are a subscriber to OpenAI, I think there's like a cheaper version versus like the ultimate version and stuff like that, and you'll see the difference between the cost and, you know, the quality and all the things. Matter of fact, I'll put it down in the description so you can know exactly what to look for yourself. But most of all, I'm definitely probably going to be experimenting with it a lot, especially when it comes to, you know, some projects here in 2025, and I'm excited about it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.